Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2025 Volkswagen Taos and I will show you which fuse to check in case your rear wiper is not working. So I will be showing you the rear wiper motor fuse. This video will apply to these vehicles made from 2022 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so the fuse to check will be located in a small fuse box under the steering wheel just behind this cover. To access it, pull the cover towards yourself. And here you will see all of the fuses. Okay, so I'll turn on the flash and I will zoom in, and the fuse you want to check will be this 15 amp blue fuse down here. So this is the fuse to check. Now in case this fuse is good, you'll have to dig a bit deeper. You'll want to check the rear wiper switch, you'll want to check the wiring, electrical connections, and you want to test the rear wiper motor. But first things first, make sure to check the fuse. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.